FPV drones help beginners learn immersive flying with real-time control and confidence. My today's video is about top 5 best FPV drones for beginners. Mohammed bets are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Karuisrc FPV Drones for beginners. This drone with a built-in 4.5-inch screen controller delivers a truly hassle-free flying experience. With real-time FPV transmission displayed directly on the controller, there's no need for a smartphone or app, just power on and fly. The HD screen provides clear, smooth visuals, making it easy to frame shots, preview footage, and manage files instantly. Equipped with an advanced GPS camera, it captures sharp photos and vibrant, professional-looking videos. Whether you're filming sweeping landscapes or fast-moving action, the image quality remains crisp and true to life. Safety is a major highlight thanks to the smart auto return function. If the signal drops or the battery runs low, the drone automatically flies back to its takeoff point, preventing loss and ensuring peace of mind. Creative GPS modes like Follow Me and Circle Fly add cinematic flair to your footage. Foldable and travel-ready with a carrying case, it's the perfect companion for explorers and content creators alike. Now our second product is Potensic FPV Drones for beginners. The ATOM SE is an impressive lightweight drone packed with advanced features. Weighing under 249 g, it skips FAA registration and folds small enough to fit in a jacket pocket, perfect for travel. Despite its compact size, the brushless motors provide level 5 wind resistance, keeping flight stable even in breezy conditions. The 4K EIS camera with a Sony 1/3 CMOS sensor captures sharp 12MP photos and smooth 4K at 30 FPS video. Shake Vanish stabilization ensures clear, steady footage across a wide 118 degrees field of view, with flexible camera tilt for dynamic angles, with 3 batteries offering up to 93 minutes of total flight time and a 60W fast charging hub that powers all batteries in just 1.5 hours, you get extended fun with minimal downtime. PicSync 2.0 delivers reliable HD transmission up to 4km. Beginner mode and multiple flight options like Follow Me, Waypoint, and Circle Flight make it easy for new pilots while still exciting for experienced flyers. Our third product is Suangrc FPV Drones for beginners. The F198 drone stands out as a versatile and beginner-friendly option for photography enthusiasts. Equipped with dual 720p HD cameras, it allows you to switch between the front and bottom lenses for flexible shooting angles, making it easy to capture creative perspectives from the sky. Powered by upgraded brushless motors, the drone delivers smoother flights, lower noise, and improved durability. The intelligent chip enhances precision control, giving users a stable and responsive flying experience. With real-time 2.4G Wi-Fi transmission, you can connect your phone to view live footage instantly. Gesture control adds extra fun, letting you snap photos with simple hand movements. Features like 3D flips, multiple flight modes, and app/remote control make every flight exciting. Automatic hovering, one-key takeoff and landing, and optical flow positioning ensure easy handling for beginners. Foldable and compact, it fits in your pocket and comes with a carrying bag for convenient travel and storage. Now number 4, Hiturbo FPV Drones for beginners. This 1080p HD camera drone is a fantastic starter choice for beginners and hobbyists. It captures clear, vibrant aerial photos and videos, making it ideal for anyone wanting to learn before upgrading to a more advanced model. The camera quality is impressive for its price, delivering sharp footage that's perfect for fun memories or simple home inspections. Designed with beginners in mind, it features altitude hold for stable hovering, one-key takeoff and landing, and headless mode for easy orientation. 3 speed settings allow you to fly at your own comfort level, while gesture selfies add a creative touch. Of fun flight modes like Circle Fly, Trajectory Flight, and 3D flips keep every session exciting. Real-time transmission lets you see footage instantly, and the emergency stop enhances safety. Lightweight, quiet, and portable, it includes 2 batteries and a protective case. Easy app connectivity and smooth controls make it a perfect first drone and a great gift idea. And our last choice is Contixo FPV Drones for beginners. The Contixo F28A is a powerful GPS drone built for adults who want performance, safety, and creative control. Equipped with advanced GPS functions like Return to Home, Follow Me, Waypoints, and Orbit Mode, it delivers reliable flights and hands-free tracking, perfect for travel adventures and precise aerial shots. Its 2K camera captures smooth video at 25 frames per second through an 85 degrees wide-angle lens, producing sharp, immersive footage. With real-time FPV transmission up to 500 meters, you can enjoy clear live views while filming scenic landscapes or action moments. Weighing just 249 g, this foldable drone requires no FAA registration and packs neatly into the included carry bag. A 26-minute flight time gives you plenty of time in the air. Brushless motors ensure quieter, more stable flights and extend durability, with control ranges up to 1,000 meters. Added features like altitude hold, optical flow, one-key takeoff/landing, and time-lapse photography make it a feature-rich, well-rounded drone for serious users. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.